Tholkappia Park has always been where the city paused to breathe, a gentle meeting of people and nature, a sanctuary in motion. Reviving this landmark wasn't about changing what it was. It was about bringing back the familiarity, the comfort, and the identity the park always carried and strengthening it for the years ahead. Here, the weather is unforgiving. Strong sun, sudden rains, salt-filled humidity. The materials chosen had to work with these conditions, not struggle against them. Durable, dependable, and environmentally aligned. Multiple materials were explored, many brands were evaluated, but Everwood WPC stood out clearly, consistently, and conclusively. The undeniable, unprecedented choice for a project of this scale and sensitivity. For its natural warmth that blends effortlessly into open landscapes, for its ability to endure year after year without losing strength or appearance, for its proven performance in transforming landmarks across the country, and because Everwood doesn't stop at supply. We design, plan, install, and bring every detail to life with precision. Walkways that guide visitors seamlessly through the park, decks and viewing platforms that create new moments to pause, railings that secure without obstructing views, cladding that settles naturally into the architecture, enhancing without overpowering. Every application executed as part of a unified vision. Today, Tholkappia Park lives again, restored thoughtfully, built responsibly, and elevated through materials that were chosen not just to perform but to last. Everwood WPC, for spaces built to last and meant to be remembered.